In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your age on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to menu. Tap Add Gear to open up Settings and Privacy, and then tap right there to go to Meta Account Center. Once you are in Meta Account Center, tap Add Personal Details, and then tap Add Birthday. That's where we can change our birthday, and it will be automatically changed on all the accounts, including Facebook and Instagram accounts that are associated with that particular Meta Account Center. To change your birthday, tap Add Edit, and then if we tap right here, we'll be able to change day, month, and year. To save the changes, tap Add Save. That's how you can easily change your age on Facebook.